because like I mean, look, I'm still hypergamous. I still want to get my 250k guy, but all these things, right? It was installed by my mom. I mean, she didn't say obviously 200k, but she always said like, this is not. She said like, because I used to think about marriage is about love and the white dress and all that.
Mm,
And she literally sat down with me and she said, love is not what sustains a marriage. You
mm.
know, you should go for a guy who can pass on wealth. Like she wasn't just thinking about me; she was thinking about my kids and their kids.
Again, we us living in first world countries, our perception of like coupling up is a little bit warped. You're saying you're very hypergamous and you want a guy that makes £250,000, which is like
Hmm.
300 is like $350,000 in US money, right? Which
Hmm.
is a very small percent of men in the UK, black or white. Yeah. But if that's what you want, you're entitled to your opinion, innit? If a guy is making that kind of money and you're a good looking girl and you're going after a guy like that, that guy's probably got loads of other summers. Why would he have to commit to you? Like what would make you special? Like
But this is the thing: I don't really care about his commitment. Like to me, just don't
oh
bring me STD. Like he can go out there and have like multiple mistresses. It's totally
okay.
up to him. You know. But with
Okay.
me, it's like, look, when I'm with you, I get to enjoy you.
Mm.
I get to enjoy your wealth. I get to pass it down to our children. What? Because either way, I think men cheat anyway, whether he's broke or whether he has money.
Mm. See, this is the thing. Like, I was talking about this with a young lady today that I asked her the
Hmm.
question that, okay, if you had your man and he provided for you financially and you know he's not going anywhere, you know 100% he's never going to leave you, divorce you, anything, you have children with him, all of that, they're set, your life is set, and then
Hmm.
you found out that he went out there and slept with some other woman, would you leave? And the girl said yeah, she would leave, and I was like, you're crazy, blood. If he's got money, right, and he's set your life and you have children with him, you want to break up your home because he slept with some chick that he probably doesn't even like that.
Hmm.
That's
Right,
ludicrous.
exactly. Because I think with like sometimes women get confused is just because a guy is having sex doesn't necessarily mean he loves this woman. Do you
Mm.
know what I mean?
Yeah, because this is the thing.
And
This is what I was trying to say to her. I was saying at the end of the day, it don't matter what guy you're thinking about because then they always start thinking about these fairy tale things. Oh, this guy, has been with his woman and he would never cheat. Blood. Even if the guy doesn't cheat, guys lust after other women regardless.
mhm.
So that
Right,
thing,
so
and
I
then
think it's because like
if the guy has money and he's got the potential to do it, a lot of guys are going to give into that temptation and sleep with another woman, bruv. Like that's, I'm sorry, like it is like that, bruv. You know what I mean? Not all
yeah,
guys are gonna do it,
yeah.
but some a percentage of guys will. If they're
Right.
in position of power to do it, they will do it.
Right. I mean, if he's good father to my kids and he's good to me, what he does out there is none of my business, you
I
know?
wouldn't say it's none of your business, but as long as I think it's this, yeah. As long as the guy is not embarrassing you, like he's not doing it in a way that, I'm not gonna say it's okay to do it. I'm not gonna say it's okay to go out and fornicate. I'm not gonna say that, yeah. But if the guy does it in a way where it doesn't throw egg in your face, he's not disrespecting you directly, and he's still always coming back to you, and you benefit from him, like he provides and protects you, bro.
Mhm.
I don't know, bro. I don't think that it's worth breaking up the home to do
Yeah.
that. I just
Yeah. I
don't.
mean, I definitely have that mentality because, my mom found out like 9 years into their marriage that he had a mistress,
Mm,
you know?
mm,
And one of the things I asked her was, why did you say like he cheated kind of thing? And she was like, look, like I didn't even get to find out myself. Other people came and told me. And she was like, he was treating, you guys well and he was providing and protecting. So she said, why would I destroy that over a mistress kind of thing?
mm.
At the time, obviously, I didn't understand, but the older I got, now I'm just like, because men cheat anyway. I see
I don't
scums
think all
cheating.
men cheat. All men don't cheat, man. Come on.
No, I think if the opportunity arises, a man will cheat, whether he's poor or rich. That's what I believe. Even if he's like a man of God, like they, because there's Muslim men out of here that are not allowed to have sex outside marriage. They have multiple wives.
Again, I'm not advocating fornication. I'm not saying a guy should go out and cheat on his woman. I'm not saying all guys are gonna go cheat on their woman, but I'm saying, like, if you're a woman and you're in a position where the guy is made a certain high level life for you and your children with him, right? And you know there's no way on God's green earth that he would want to divorce you or, cut off from you. Like, he loves you. Because this is the thing. A lot of things, this thing that women don't understand, yeah, which most men understand, is that you can love your wife, your woman, yeah, and still sleep with another girl. See, women can't can't really do that. Women, in my opinion, women can't really do that. A woman can't love, like, if say me and you was dating, yeah, and you couldn't be in love with me and then just go and sleep with some other guy. Nah. That don't tend to happen.
I think if a woman's like cheats, right, there's like an emotional connection with that guy.
Yes.
Like, they don't just cheat for the sake of it. And obviously she's not going to cheat if she knows like what she will, the guy she has is a high value.
Yeah. So think about it. Think of it like this, Summer. Yeah. Like, let's say hypothetically, I'm making £250,000 like you want. Yeah. Yeah. We have a kid. We have 2 kids. Yeah. And I'm you good as well. Like, you're loving it. Yeah. Blood, why would you cheat?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Why would I go for a broke dick?
Yeah,
it doesn't
like,
make sense
why would you wouldn't even
getting pregnant and
like, I know how girls think, like how women think. You wouldn't even be thinking like that. You wouldn't even have time. Do you know what I'm saying?
No, I wouldn't. I'll just be thinking about, preparing my kids for the future and
and
so
emptying my nuts.
And, what's that?
And emptying my nuts because you love doing it.
Oh my god.
No, but I'm being real. Like, I'm being real. So, but it's different for men because, as I said, a man can love his, like, bro, a man can love his wife, yeah, and still want to other girls. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, this is the paradox that men have. Like, we're biologically built to loads of women. We're biologically built that way. We have this. We have testosterone inside us.
So it's not that women don't love sex or don't want to experience different men or have the attention of different men. We do, but we sacrifice that for our kids.
No, but
for our reputation.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. If you're with a guy who is supplying you the sex and the life, I don't think women don't have that same urge to. If a girl grows up normal, like, she doesn't go and throw her box around to everybody, yeah, and she grows up normal, like, maybe she had 1 boyfriend, 2 boyfriend growing up, yeah, and she becomes a woman, have 1 more boyfriend, then gets married. I don't think she's gonna be. She's not gonna be inherent for her to want to go and still smash loads of guys. Most girls want to couple up with the guy that they find attractive and stick with him. And even if time goes on and things do get a bit boring and stale, she's still not gonna really want to go and smash somebody new. Like, especially if he is supplying good sex, even if it is the same old good sex, it's still good, and he's supplying her with the life. That's where hypergamy kicks in, bro. Because it's the same. She's gonna now go to the club and just bang some next guy. I don't see it. It'll be something emotional.
She's not gonna go to the club, but I'm saying if there was a culture, and because we know the way men are built, women are more likely to turn a blind eye a guy cheating on her than a guy is. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't know, maybe it's their fragile ego. I don't know what it is, but men cannot handle it.
Yeah, because we don't want to wear the same boxers with another man. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Men don't want to wear the same boxers with another man. Do you understand that? Like, okay, in general, listen, fam. That's all well and good you saying that, but guess what? There's a lot of instances where one woman will have a guy and that same guy will be with another woman, and both women know, and they know that they're sharing one guy, and they don't mind that. Your dad had a mistress, bruv. So the mistress knew that he already had your mum. She didn't mind, bruv. There's a lot of women that, you know,
No,
for the right type of dude, they'll listen,
neither
bro,
of them knew the other had.
listen. There's a lot of women that won't mind sharing a guy if he's high value enough, in their opinion. They don't mind. But a lot of guys, they're not gonna be too enthusiastic about swimming in the same pool as another guy.